Santo Domingo, the energetic capital of the Dominican Republic, is the oldest settlement in the Americas. Filled with the rich history of Christopher Columbus and his family and the lively energy of its locals, Santo Domingo is a spirited destination in the Caribbean. Here's some things to do in Santo Domingo. The Telephorico is a scenic ride that offers a beautiful perspective of Santo Domingo. This gondola is used by locals as public transportation, but can be a fun ride for tourists too. Explore the Colonial Zone on a historic walking tour. Founded in 1496 by Bartholomew Columbus, Christopher Columbus's brother, the city is a walking history museum. Stroll past buildings such as the church where Christopher Columbus is buried, the oldest hospital in America that survived a pirate attack, and countless other historically significant places. Parque Colon, or Columbus Park, is the center of the Colonial Zone. It's a relaxing place to sit with a meal or a cup of coffee and watch the city come to life. Another beautiful place to visit and dine nearby is the Alcazar de Colon. Built in 1511, this is the first fortified Spanish palace in the Americas and was the home to the Columbus family. Los Tres Ojos National Park is an interesting excursion in the city. Here there are 3 natural lakes inside limestone caves. Opt in for the extra boat ride for a spectacular viewpoint. Nearby Santo Domingo is Boca Chica Beach. It's a nice place to swim, get a massage, or just relax. It's worth a visit if you'd like to see a highly touristic beach close to the city. Stop into Choco Pick for some Dominican local treats. Sample some hot chocolate, try grinding some cacao beans, or take a bean to bar chocolate workshop. While in the Dominican Republic, you'll have to experience some traditional Dominican food. Get a taste of Mofongo, which is a traditional Caribbean dish made with plantains and your choice of meat. And you must try an ice cream bar at Paletas Bajo, Cero. It was my favorite ice cream bar ever. Pick your coating and toppings and find a park bench to savor this sweet. Casa El Conde is the first commercial street in the Americas and is a pleasant area to stroll and shop. This charming street has many souvenir shops as well as restaurants. The Museum of Rum and Sugarcane is an interesting spot for any rum lovers. Here you can learn about the history of some of the Dominican Republic's most popular exports and taste some yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe for more travel videos in the Caribbean and around the world.